In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Chase Bank statements to QuickBooks Online. This process is essential for streamlining your financial management, ensuring that all your bank transactions are seamlessly integrated into your accounting software. By doing this, you'll have more time to focus on other important aspects of your business. First, let's start by navigating to the Transactions section. You'll find this on the left panel of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This area of the software is where we'll manage all the financial data you're about to import from Chase Bank. It's a great hub that provides an overview of your financial activity, so accessing it regularly is beneficial. Once you're in the Transactions section, direct your attention to the Bank Transactions tab. This tab is specifically designed for managing your bank account activities and any subsequent integrations or connections. It's your go-to resource for viewing, adding, or updating bank and credit card accounts linked with QuickBooks Online. Now that you're in the Bank Transactions area, look towards the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a button labeled Link Account. This is the gateway for connecting your new or existing bank accounts to QuickBooks Online. Click on the Link Account button to proceed. After clicking the button, a search menu will appear, prompting you to enter the name of your bank. In our case, you'll need to search for Chase Bank. Simply type Chase into the search box and select it from the search results that appear. QuickBooks Online supports a wide range of banks, but since we're focusing on Chase today, we'll select it to move forward. Selecting Chase Bank is just the beginning. You'll now undergo an authentication process. Authentication ensures the security of your banking connection by verifying that you're authorized to access the account. During this process, you may need to enter your Chase Bank login credentials or complete a security verification step. Rest assured, this is a secure procedure, as both QuickBooks and Chase take privacy and data security very seriously. Once you've successfully completed the authentication process, your QuickBooks Online account will be linked to your Chase Bank account. At this point, you'll notice your bank feed automatically populating within QuickBooks. This means that all your recent Chase Bank transactions are now visible in the Bank Transactions tab, giving you an up-to-date view of your financial activities. And that's it. You've now linked your Chase Bank statements to QuickBooks Online. This integration will save you time and effort in the future, providing real-time visibility into your transactions and helping you keep your business finances organized. By regularly checking these integrations, you'll be able to better manage your accounting tasks and make informed financial decisions. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Keep an eye out for more content to assist you in simplifying your business operations.